morning. So I'm going to start off with my Starbucks drink that I get all the time, every single day. And then I'm going to have a Morningstar sausage, the original one. I'm just going to have one this morning. And I'm also going to have 2 hard-boiled eggs that I made the night before. And then I have some strawberries right here. There's a little bit of strawberries because my son took some, but I actually had more than that. But yeah, this was my breakfast. And then for lunch, I got some cauliflower rice. You know, the kind that I love from Trader Joe's. It's the best. You can make cheesy cauliflower rice and it's so good. And I had it with chicken, cilantro wontons by Trader Joe's, and broccoli. As the broccoli was finishing up, I went into the garage to get my drink, and this is a key to my beautiful refrigerator. I've had this for a while, but I just haven't shown you guys. So I had this clip from when I first got it. It was meant to be in a vlog, but I just thought I'd show you guys this because it's a pretty cool refrigerator, and I'll have a link down below to this and other things that I show. But yeah, it's super cool. We used it for my daughter's birthday where it was all juices and kids drinks and little mini water bottles just for the kids. So yeah, it was perfect for her party. I have a vlog of that, so I'll link that down below as well. But yeah, it's super, did I stutter? It's super cool, and I have it in my garage next to my gym now, where I lock it because my husband does have some beers in here, and I have my LaCroix drinks that the kids will, you know, they'll open it and they'll take a sip and they're done, and I'm like, no! So I keep it locked now, so that's mommy's refrigerator. But yeah, I have my broccoli all done, and here is my lunch. So good. I sprinkled a little bit of low sodium soy sauce on it, and I don't know why I said sprinkled, but I did put some on there. So yeah, lunch, and then snack was the Laughing Cow wedges, just the creamy Swiss light one with some pretzels, something very easy. So come dinner time, I got a pressure cooker, and I'll have that link down below for you as well. But okay, I have seen so many recipes using pressure cookers, and I'm obsessed with my crock pot, okay? But I want to try something else out. So I got this. At first it looked a little intimidating, okay? But it did have instructions, and it even had some recipes in there, which is always helpful. But we decided to make ribs tonight. But before I show you the ribs, like, I want to show you this, okay? For those of you that are debating whether you want a pressure cooker or not, I think you really should. But you are going to see like a whole bunch of little knickknacks like this, but it's super easy. So seriously, if we were to make ribs in a crock pot, it would take about 8 hours, but this was 45 minutes. And we got it from, I believe, Target, where we got these ribs. And after 45 minutes, we then put barbecue sauce on it, and then in the broiler for 10 minutes after, just to caramelize the barbecue sauce, and then topped it off with some green onions, got some baked beans and Caesar salad, and that was my dinner. So good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.